Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can make a system update or look for a system update on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Maybe you get notifications that you have a system update available or there's something that doesn't run as smoothly anymore. For that you need to go to your settings and then go to system updates and system update status. Your software has not yet been updated to this, so we can check for updates with smart updates here, why updates matter, and our update history. Let's check for updates. Please restart now. It'll only take you about 90 seconds to restart your device. This is our newest version the phone will then run with. As you have enabled smart updates feature, your device will automatically update on June 24th at 1 a.m. if you haven't restarted by then. So we'll restart it right now. And now it's restarting. And now we're back and our phone runs with the newest update. Unlock our SIM card. Unlock our phone. And now we're back on the phone with our newest software update. So that's how you can check for software updates on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.